The Cold War pilot who landed a plane with nitrogen monoxide engine. His engine exploded, but he still guided 200 passengers safely to the ground. During a routine flight, a Cold War-era commercial jet lost all power. Total engine failure. Altitude dropping fast. The pilot, Captain Alfred C. Haynes, stayed calm. He turned a massive aircraft into a glider, banking it without thrust. Passengers prayed as the plane shook violently. Haynes aimed for an abandoned stretch of military runway, with no engines, no hydraulics, and almost no control. He performed one of the most difficult landings in aviation history. Most on board survived because of his composure. A Cold War miracle in the sky.